Hello and welcome to day number 86 of our Travel Trader series. And today markets were going up today. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to really participate in it because the internet connection here was so bad that I couldn't even really log in. Anyway, very soon, as soon as I'm out of this quarantine, I'll be able to trade properly again. Nevertheless, later on, I was able to put a new trade on. That trade is US dollar and Norwegian krona. So I got a position in there, and when I checked it last, we were up 1,843 Norwegian kronas, which is roughly 180 euro, 180 in a bit, I guess. Depending on the exchange rate, it's usually 1 in 10. The other trades that were already open is Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, Australian dollar, US dollar. The one that I put up yesterday, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, is actually one that I'm looking at but haven't traded it yet. So Australian dollar versus the US dollar, that's currently up $18.20. So it starts to go in our direction slightly. Oil currently is down 439 US dollar. So we kind of went slightly down again. Anyway, it's a trade for the next few weeks. So quite happy to have it still. And the last trade that is open is silver, and silver was up 743 euro and 50 cents. No, $743.50. So overall, we're up roughly 1,000 euro with the 4 trades, and we are looking forward to put a few more trades on. Tomorrow I have actually 3 or 4 that I'm looking at, so if everything turns out right, I will give you an update tomorrow on the new trades that are coming, and of course the old ones that are already open. So thank you very much for watching. Just a quick update today, as there wasn't too much to do for me in the markets due to the missing or bad internet connection. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. We will see each other again tomorrow. Have a great evening and goodbye.